Hi, parents, or everyone. So I am here to announce my reading workshops that I have created for parents. And so I pretty much created these reading workshops for parents so they can understand how to assess their child and understand where their child is struggling in phonics and in reading. Okay, whether it's reading reading a reading comprehension issue, whether it's a phonics issue, whether it's a letter recognition issue. All throughout the pandemic, I have been tutoring even before the pandemic, and the main thing that I'm constantly hearing is it's just not enough communication from the teachers, and they're not the parents aren't being told how to get started, where to get started, what to do, or any of those things. I'm not saying all of the teachers are, participating or not participating in those types of things. But what I am saying is that when I get ready to assess a parent's kid and I ask them a few questions, they either say, I don't know, give me a blank stare, or you kind of hear crickets. Okay. And I just tell them that's okay. I understand. And so I actually did a survey asking parents about whether they felt like they were being shown how to understand the status of, or told like how to understand the status of their child's reading and phonics and in comprehension, and do the teachers communicate with them often? And I got more nevers, and then it was a situation where it was sometimes, which was like once or twice a month, and then I had, of course, a few parents that said weekly their teachers communicate with them. So I just decided to create these phonics and reading workshops for parents, right? And so what in the workshops, what the parents will get is a guide. And this is one of my edited ones, but this is a guide. This is the guide that the parents will actually get to get them started. Okay. And so it's pretty much ask them, or to pretty much ask them like, for kinder, we start off with kinder. Can your child, and it might say, recognize and name all of the letters, spell simple 3-letter words, hear a word and make the first and last sound, hear a word and make the first and last sound. And then if not, you would refer to step 1 in the survey that you would receive that goes actually with this guide, right? Once you have a clear point according to this in the assessment, then you will then have activities and suggestions and games inside of the manual that you're going to receive from me to get yourself started with helping your child become a stronger reader. This is really, really important because a lot of parents, they know that the kids need help, but they don't know how to help them. And so going through these workshops, and when we do these demonstrations, and when we do the demos, because during the workshops we will be doing hands-on activities with each other, one person being an adult, the other person being a child, throughout the process, so you guys can learn how to assess and what I actually do to know where to start with your child with the client when I start tutoring. Like, there are certain steps that I take and processes that I go through that to help me understand where to start tutoring a client. And so that is actually what I want to share with parents. And so all through the summer, they can do this and, get a head start on helping their kids with becoming a stronger reader, with building up that confidence, understanding what they need to know, so they're just that one less child that the teacher has to worry about in the classroom. And so, because the point is to get our kids to the point of self-sufficiency. We really want, our kids to kind of just come home, chill, unwind, relax, do their homework, and just give the homework to you without parents, being interrupted. But they can't do that if you don't, as the parent, don't understand that your child is in second grade and you didn't realize that they didn't know all of the letters. So when you find that out and you understand that, hey, look, my child isn't reading because my child isn't reading in second grade, or it's not blending, or doesn't know how to completely decode, or is struggling with all of these things. And then when you find out the root of the problem, it's because they don't know all of the letters, okay? Or there's a phonics issue, or they don't know the digraphs, or something, okay? You find out. And so now you pretty much have to start back from that point, all right? And so those are the things that we're going to be doing. The workshops are going to start April 16th. And I'm going to have an online course, the Thinkific, and I'm also going to have the in-person workshops as well. All right. So guys, if you are interested in being a part of the workshops, April 16th, I will send you my registration link so you can get yourself set up. And with that registration link, just pay for the course, and then we'll meet up from there. I'll give you further instructions from there. But the main point is to help you understand how to help your child, okay? And so that's what I'm really trying to do and cultivate through these workshops, okay? Thanks, guys. Bye.